Hi everyone, I am back with the weekly giveaway fun game, and for all of you that have been following, we had a question yesterday for the lovely Joanne, and we had a lovely question for the lovely Sue Harvey. Now, one of you got it wrong and one of you got it right. So the rules of the game are every question that is got right, things will be added to the pile. Oi, 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 sorry, he is knocking everything off. Stop it now. You're being a little so-and-so. I needed to put that on there and that there. Forgot. Right, I have so much things to remember. Right, move your bottom. Let me tell you now. So, Joanne, the question was, which of these was my favourite, was my first job as a teenager? So, did I work in a bingo hall as a caller, or did I work on Brighton Pier on the carousel? I actually worked, my first job when I was putting myself through college, I worked in a bingo hall. Stop biting that. I worked in a bingo hall as a caller. Now, I did work on Brighton Pier on the carousel, but that wasn't until I was about 20. So, I just have, ow. He is being a so-and-so. Now, stop it, because otherwise you're going to go on the naughty step. I'm sorry, he bit me really badly. That is not funny. You sunk your teeth into me, you naughty boy. Sorry about that, everybody. He is really on one today. Right, so Joanne, you got your question wrong. Now, you do get one lifeline, which means you do get another question today, but you get another one wrong, and then you're on hold on the game. So, you got it wrong, so I don't add anything for your question. Now, the lovely Sue, what was the name of my dog as a child? It was actually Midgie. So, I'm going to add some things to both piles. So, I'm going to add to this pile here, I'm going to add these lovely little fabric button embellishments that I made. You can make little paper clips with them or just put them on projects. So, there's 3 of those. I have a little tab. Can you hear him in the background? Tab thingy doodle to add into there. One of my glossy accents embellishments that you can do something with, and a lovely picture of some buzzcats, and it has been put on coffee dyed paper. So that's added to that pile. The other pile, I'm adding one of these little postcards and some lovely lace fabric in a lovely sort of vintage looking colour. So I'm going to add that lace to that pile. Now, just before we go on to today's questions, for those of you that have been playing along, I have your scoreboard here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of you that answered the question from yesterday. Now, that means that anyone else who answers the questions for yesterday now won't count, because obviously I'll give you the answers, but you can answer today's questions and you might still catch up, you know. So these are the scores. So It's My Playhouse, you got 1 right. Christine's Cards and Things, you didn't get any right. Mrs. Stationery and Stuff, you got 2 right. Surrey, none. Thurrid, none. Tracy Dale, none. Christine Mortimer, none. Debbie Owl, you got 2. And Jackie McFall, 1. Pinky Noble, 1. So at the moment, we have 2 of you that are head-to-head, which is Mrs. Stationery and Stuff and Debbie L. But still carry on playing, everyone, because you never know, they might get their questions wrong today, and you might be able to take over. So that is the scoreboard so far. So today's questions, let me get my little pen. Oh, you have slobbered all over it. So we have Joanne and Sue. So Sue she's still got her lifeline. So Joanne, this is your last question, well, last chance. If you get this one wrong, then you won't be playing anymore. So your question is, which of these is my greatest fear? Spiders or heights? So that's for Joanne. And then Sue's question is, am I a Capricorn or a Piscean? So leave your questions below, and if I get time today, if you answer them, I might be able to do another video today. So those are today's questions. All of you at home can take part, because you might be able to take over, because we've still got questions left, because obviously Sue's still got a lifeline. So even if Sue gets hers wrong and Joanne gets hers wrong, there's still another question, because Sue has got a lifeline. And Joanne probably will get it right, hopefully, fingers crossed. So let's keep on and see how we do. This is so much fun. Lots of AliExpress hauls going up this weekend. Lots of goodies for you to have a look at. Yes, I've been busy. So have a lovely day, and hopefully I will see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.